questions கேட்பாங்க. ஓகேவா? See, ரெண்டு டிஸ்க் இருக்கும்டா, there will be two disk. Alright? Let's say இது ஒரு disk. Right? This is one disk. Having some mass, having some radii, ஓகேவா? இதுக்கு mass n1 r1, right? And it is rotating with omega 1. Let's say இதுதான் central axis. ஓகேவா? It is rotating what omega da? Omega 1. Now one more disk is there. Let's say your disk go, right? Which is having different mass, different radii. Okay? இதுக்கு mass என்ன எடுத்துக்கலாம்? n2. இதுக்கு radius என்ன எடுத்துக்கலாம்? r2. Right? And it is rotating with some omega 2. Right? இப்போ slowly if I gently, it should not be very harsh so that you give external force, external torque. Okay? Slowly இந்த disk எடுத்து இதுக்கு மேல போட்டுட்டோம்னா, right? Both will spin with some constant omega. And the constant omega ever. What is the concept? Very simple concept. Other questions போடலாம். What is the concept? Tell me. See, when you put this over here, இதுக்கு மேல போட்டீங்கன்னா the disk will look like this. இதுக்கு மேல போட்டீங்கன்னா கரெக்ட்டா? இதோட மாஸ் எவ்வளவு? n2. இதோட ரேடியஸ் எவ்வளவு? r2. ஆனா இந்த ஒமேகா 1 இருக்குமா இல்ல ஒமேகா 2 இருக்குமா இல்ல ஒமேகா காமனா இருக்குமா? வேற ஏதாவது இருக்குமா? காமனா இருக்கும். Right? What you do? What conservation you can do here? Angular momentum conservation. Correct? Yeah. So what is the equation now? Tell me first. I1 omega 1 plus I2 omega 2 equals to I1 plus I2. You know, moment of inertia is what? Additive in nature. You can add. Correct? So I1 omega 1 plus I2 omega 2 equals to what? I1 plus I2 into what? Omega. Okay. Right? Just revising. Okay. Omega common evada varum. What is omega common? Formula another. I1 omega 1 plus I2 omega 2 upon what? I1 plus I2. How much is the rotational energy for the combined? கேட்டாங்க என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? Just half I omega common square. புரியுதா இல்லையா? Okay. Is there few questions down? Right? Try to do these questions. And important questions down. Right? இல்ல ரெண்டு disk இல்லாம there is something over here. See. Consider disk of what mass? 5 kg mass. Okay? And the radius 2 meter is a radius which is rotating with angular velocity. What is the angular velocity given? 10 radian per second. Upon an axis perpendicular to the plane of rotation, an identical disk. There is another disk. Identical means what? Mass and radius both are what? Same. Mass and radius both are same. Identical now. Okay? Right? Gently. You have to keep it gently. Then only it is valid. Right? Over a rotating disk along the same axis. The energy dissipated கேக்குறாங்க. அப்ப எவ்வளவு எனர்ஜி லாஸ் ஆகுது? Initially எவ்வளவு எனர்ஜி இருக்கோ, ஃபைனல் எவ்வளவு எனர்ஜி இருக்கோ, இனிஷியல் மைனஸ் ஃபைனல் பண்ணினா எனர்ஜி லாஸ். போடுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Do it fast.